Hi everyone, welcome to Smash Our Stash 2021. This is hosted by Beth at Bourbon Creek Crafts as well as Teresa at Fresh and Renewed by Teresa or with Teresa. I forget, I'm sorry. Anyway, this month, every month we have a theme, and the idea is to use things in our stash. And I've had a couple choices here because this month is kit month. And as many of you know, Stampin' Up! Has lots of new kits on their website now, and they're not in the catalog, but they're making it easy to get kits, some of which are past paper pumpkin kits and some are not. So I will probably be using one that is a past paper pumpkin kit because I have an extra. But I also have been sitting here staring at these two kits I had gotten Tuesday morning, apparently in 2019. One is kitties, and one is birthday related. I thought I had, oh, I have three. I have three. Never mind. I was going to say, I thought I had peacocks or butterflies or something too. So yeah, cat collection, birthday collection, and this peacock collection as well. Oh, this one has butterflies. I thought one had butterflies in it. So I am torn because the set that I would like to use, I think, is this, it's not paper pumpkin anymore, but it was back in June 2019, and it's called A Little Smile. I think I'll use this because it is getting to be summer here, and this is more beachy themed, and it makes these cute little cards that you can hand to people. Let me show you a few finished ones. Like at the grocery store or your hairdresser or wherever. Just a little smile, you're amazing, just a little smile. And you get this little, that looks crooked, but it's the envelope. And you get these little mini envelopes with them too. And you get this little folio to put them in, and you can put them in your purse and take them with you, you know, to the grocery store, the hairdresser, wherever. You're shopping, or you know, people coming in to help you or whatever, and hand them a little card. So this kit is available on the Stampin' Up! Website now as a kit, and it would come now in a box that looks well, not exactly like this, but it would be in a craft box shaped like a paper pumpkin box. So I'm gonna remove these out of the way. At some point I'll make those kits as well, but I have a whole nother, I still have some bits left that I didn't use, but as you can see here, I apparently bought two. I have a whole nother kit, so I think I'm going to go, here you go, here's a whole picture of it. I'm going to make these cards as they're intended because I think they're adorable, and probably finish up the ones I didn't make from this kit also, and try and get this off my shelf because you got it, I'm out of room. It makes 16 cards with envelopes, and then of course you have this little folio to put them in. So I have two folios, which is good because I'm going to have double the cards. Alright everyone, I will be back when I'm finished and I'll show you what I've made. I'm not going to do a tutorial on this video, it'd be too long. Alright, see you soon. Hey everyone, I thought I'd come back. I have a slight change in plans. I'm still making this kit, but when I started pulling out what I had left from the original kit, I have so much left. I have two of these cards, two of these cards, three of these, and I think two of these, and then I have 5 each of these envelopes, which are nicely decorated already. Obviously the stamp set, and I have one of these palm trees, whole lots still, I didn't even punch them all out, of the glittery starfish and sand dollars, I have lots. I have more of these I didn't punch out too. Vellum coral, which you can color with a Stampin' Blend if you so choose. I have almost a whole nother sheet left of these after punching this many out. And I have like 5 of these vellum, I don't know, sand circles, I guess I'll call them. And 3 of these trees, although one of them I broke, so, and they go on this card, so this may just be an extra, or I might be able to tape that on and fix it. I don't know, we'll see. I may not need it. So I'm just going to make the current kit that I didn't finish, not current, but you know, the kit that I didn't finish, and I'll save the other one for when all of mine are given out. And keep in mind, I already made 4 of these cards as they were intended. I also made a tag. I'll show you that at the end, and I'm pretty sure I had made some alternatives, and that's why I don't have so many of these trees left, but I don't have those here right at this point to show you anymore. So I'm not going to do alternatives. I'm going to just make this kit as intended and at least try and use up the first one before I even start on a second one. Alright, I'll see you soon. Hey everyone, okay, so this is the finale. I have finished all the card bases that I had left in the kit. I have left an envelope, 2 labels, well, that's not exactly 2. What I have punched out is these 2 sand things, a couple sand dollars, and some greens, and 2 labels. However, I still have more unpunched out coral. There's like 4 sheets left in there yet. And some of these sand labels, and I don't know why I have so many left, and some white labels, and more sand dollars and starfish, and a whole nother sheet of the greenery. Apparently I used a card front and cut it apart or something. Well, actually no, I had used a tree. I have no more trees left. I did use the one with the broken branch, and I'll show you that last. And I used some labels, and I stamped with some of the stamps in here to make this tag. Like I said, I think I had made some alternatives before, so these were the 4 I had made originally as intended, and a tag I had made, and then I have a cut up envelope, so I must have made something with that. So those are what I have left of the original kit, and let me show you all the cards that it made besides those 4 that I showed you, and the tag. Let me move this out of the way. Alright, so this was the last double tree that I had that had the sand attached. That's made as intended. These 2, You Are Amazing, made as intended. And then I had 3 of these that say thank you, it means so much, and 2 of these, just a little smile. And this is the tree that was broken, and I had this card base left, so I just made it up, and I cut the tree off here at the edge with, like this piece had broken, and this piece I cut off, and I used one of those sand things, a sand dollar, a starfish, 2 pieces of the greenery, and some of the twine. I still have a lot of the linen thread left, and I stamped You Made My Day Special. So 4 in the little packet, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Is that right? 13 more cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 13 total. Now it was supposed to make 16, but like I said, I had already made alternatives previously, so I have 13 cards plus a tag, and I know that I made some A2 size cards way back when. So yeah, I can now take these, put this in my purse, and take it with me wherever I go, and just hand somebody a little smile in a card. I'll put them in the actual envelopes eventually. And I probably would not carry this many with me at a time, like maybe 6 of them. So maybe my day is better because of you. You made my day special. Just a little smile and a thank you. Now the thank yous I can probably, thank you, it means so much. I can probably use as you know, thank yous. But I think that you, just a little smile and you are amazing, I can use the thank yous to send to customers or whatever. So I'll take 3, 4, 5. This is 7. I don't know. We will see. Yeah, you could comfortably fit 8, so I'll put another one in. And then just, you know, put them in the envelopes. You can probably fit more in once they're in the envelopes. And hand them out. That's the intent. Give a little smile or a thank you to someone who might not be expecting it, and who knows, maybe you'll make their day. Now, all that said, the stamp set is left, and I have, except for the sentiments, I barely touched that. Let me see what I do with the wrapper of it. Here it is. So we have this sand, the starfish, the coral, the sand dollar, and all the sentiments, you know, that you've been seeing here. And I think I used them all. My day is better because of you. Just a little smile. Thank you. It means so much. You made my day special. And you are amazing. So this set is available, this kit, on the Stampin' Up! Website. And if you don't have a demonstrator and you're in the United States, I would love to be your demonstrator. Please use this host code in the month of June for any orders under $150. And yeah, now Stampin' Up! Does have a special going on through the 14th that if you spend $250 or more, don't use this host code over $150, but if you spend $250 or more, you'll get an extra $25 in Stampin' Rewards free product besides the 10% you normally would get. So it's a great time to stock up on any products you might like to have from Stampin' Up! And alright, I think that's it, everyone. I will talk to you again soon. Have a great week, and hugs, love, and peace.